Hello viewers, I am Rajesh. We are discussing about a way to financial planning. Already in that series we are discussed about production, that is the emergency fund and insurance, and then the second one is tax saving. We already discussed about that one in last video. Now we are going to third one, the debt management. Debt is worse than the death. It somebody says, I forget the name, sorry to about that. And then what is the debt? Karsa. Every person or a company it makes for at least one time in their lifetime or journey of the company. Without debt, our growth will not be go. But if you are in debt, you are in bad debt, you are in somewhat trouble. Please, we will discuss about that one today. Now, what is the debt? Debt is the we'll get from bank or some person for the interest rate for making our needs or our wants. Yes, some are higher interest, some are lower interest, some are with no interest also it will be there sometimes. Yes, personal loans and credit cards, mortgage loans, housing loans, anything, car loans, vehicle loans, everything. And then why people makes debts? Some people is for their needs, some people for their wants they will do the debt from banks or NBFCs. Please understand wants and needs. We are always making debt needs. It's okay. It is like a housing loan. We want a house for staying like that. We are taking some loan from the bank and purchasing house and staying in there. It's okay. That is okay. But some people make debt for the wants. They want to go the foreign trip. We will make some 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs for interest from banks and then go the foreign tour and come back. That is a very bad debt. Don't do that one. Okay. Next one. All debts are bad one or not? Certainly not. All debts are not a bad one. Some good debts also will be there. How will it be? For suppose one house is there. It's 50 lakhs. We will purchase with our some money with from bank some 30 lakhs or 25 lakhs, and then we'll given that house to rent. We are getting money from every month. So that is the cash flow from that one. Of course, maybe we are paying 25,000. We are getting some 12,000, around half of that amount through rent. That's a good one only. Later we will get that asset. Later we will get that asset. That cash flow will be continual after the debt also. That is the good debt. If you consider the example for the bad debt, car vehicle, actual car, that vehicle, we don't need mostly that one. Maybe sometimes only we will need. For that we will pay to the tax government and paying the interest to the bank and paying the insurance company and then maintenance, mechanic, servicing, etc. It will not give any cash flow to you. Only cash flow from you only it will go to that one. That is the bad debt. Don't do that one. Third one is the paying with credit cards. It is the paying with credit cards nowadays very passion makes all purchase and just give like one card. But mostly please don't use only debit card only. Don't use credit card. If you are not more knowledge about that one, how to pay, which time you pay, time period, how much they are going to charge. Better to be pay with our money only. Don't make purchases for consumption on credit cards. If you are not in debt now, please maintain like that only. Don't some people like financial institution, NBFCs, banks, they will ask to you, we'll give credit cards to you, sir. We'll give personal loan to you, sir. We will give housing loan, sir, like that. But without your need, without asset creation, don't make any debt. It's very trouble for your financial health. Don't make, please, guys. Please be cautious at the time of making debt. Okay, if you are already somewhat debt, it is more than the annual income of 3 times or 4 times of that. If you have already debt. Please consider my what I am going to steps. Just follow it and clear that one. Debt is very worse than the death. Please guys. First step is stop all your investments. Maybe it looks very harsh, but for the cash flow, it must be stop your all investments. Just diverse that funds to the debts. In debts, somewhat some is exceptional because only one. What is that? Is housing loan. Housing loan is the exceptional. Why? It has maybe more money, like in lakhs or crores something. We're not able to pay at A1. That's why that is one cause. And if you pay that one, we are not able to do any other things also. That's why some housing loan is exceptional. Except that one, for every loan should be closed or nullified. Without more knowledge on that, please don't use credit cards. That is the third one. And then make one list for your all debts, including your no interest debts taken from friends, all. And then make which one is the higher interest rate, which one is the low interest rate. Just write the all in interest rates, and then first consider it what is the higher interest rate. Because it will taking money from you more than comparing to others. Some people will tell which one amount is the less. First clear that one, and one is completely gone. Like that, we will consider the next one like that. But don't do like that. Just first pay the which one is the higher interest rate, and then up to all your debts on you, on your family, make going to be zero. Then accept housing loan. Then only you will do the investments. Maybe you are doing investments like mutual funds, investing in stocks, liquid funds, debt funds, like that. Without debt, only you do the investment. Taking debt and putting in investments, it's bad idea, man. Because why you are paying already interest and debt, and the investments, making further investments, it's very bad idea. Okay guys, we already discussed about debt management in the series of the 5 way to financial planning. Third one is that one now today done. Now next one is the retirement planning. Everyone should be retired now. After some time, maybe some are 50, some are 60, some are 70, but some stage everyone should retire. For that, we will discuss about in next video. Thank you guys.